We are at this rather beautiful Crawton Reserve, which is a protected bird sanctuary.
Indeed it is.
Which Bro discovered in one of his travels.
It's got a beautiful waterfall.
Indeed it has. Well, we came here a few years ago and Bro said there would be thousands of birds for us to look at. And when we got there...
said millions.
Millions it was.
When there was none.
When we got there was about one seagull. So hopefully we'll be able to see a few more different species.
Out of season today maybe.
Yes.
Again.
Anyway, here we go folks. Enjoy the stroll with us. Thank you. Well, there seems to be some sort of gull gathering down there. I don't know what's going on, but it seems rather excited down there. Today folks, and we're going over this rather daring gorge here. Unfortunately, it's a little bit disappointing, that waterfall today. It's very windy, so the waterfall is actually rather wispy. Is that the word for it? Yeah, wispy today. There you go. Thank you. Lovely setting though, isn't it? Beautiful. Yes, please do, because you've got to keep all the sheep in. Thank you. Well done, Bro. Thank you. There we go. Thank you. Here we are. Bro thought he just saw a penguin. I don't think so. As you can see, folks, just loads of birds here today. Now, Bro and I aren't really bird watchers, but it is fantastic to see all these birds just flying around. There's hundreds of them. They're all on that cliff face. There are literally thousands of them on there today, folks. It's quite exciting actually to see them. Beautiful sight. It's got a kind of prehistoric vibe about it almost, you know, with big cave there. Awesome. Folks, I'm actually lying on the cliff edge here watching these rather fantastic birds. I think they're guillemots, lots of seagulls, but most of them are guillemots just sitting on the cliff face, just doing nothing, just sitting there. I feel like David Attenborough here, watching it all happen. Just got a couple of questions to ask some of our nature experts. When the birds leave the cliff face there, how do they know to return to the same spot? Or do they just fly in anywhere and just take over somebody else's nest? It's just a fantastic sight to behold. It really is awesome, I must say, folks. Anyway, here we are. Thank you. Here, folks. Now the kittiwake gets its name from the way it calls out, kittiwake, kittiwake. You'll hear it in a minute probably. There's thousands of them here and they're all screaming kittiwake, kittiwake, kittiwake. I'm walking up to the other bit, just further on up from that bit where I'm lying down there, and I've seen thousands of birds flying. It's an absolutely hair-tingling experience to see that. Look at them all. I mean, the camera won't pick it up at the moment, but oh man, fantastic. Way in the distance, some of the different dolphins and whales. Let's have a sit here for a minute so we can see the nice things. Ready for the end? Excellent. Go. Well, halfway around our stroll, we come into this shelter kind of place thing. Supposed to record what we see on Two penguins, a killer whale, a blue dolphin, and a rare golden eagle and broadside pterodactyl simulator. Castle. It's way in the distance. So this is the end of the trail. Thank you. It's a great, what was it say? Gratefully received. So, SPiS card has gone in the slot as a fit. Yes, there it goes. That's our donation to the cause. It's in. It's turned very cold here, folks, so we've been caught out on the cliffs here. Having to walk back home now. Bro's, are you still in your shorts, bro? It's cold for me, though, because I'm thin and weak, remember? Right, folks, there we go. Then that was our stroll at Crawton. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. That was brilliant. Thoroughly enjoyed it. So, thanks for watching, folks.
Thank you, everybody.
We will be back
Keep on
soon. Thank you.